Hi class. Welcome to our second module, which is economy and the workforce. Now, this is a very interesting chapter, and I want to talk a little bit about it and introduce you to some of the ideas about this chapter. This is an important chapter because we just spent a whole module talking about the world of work. I'm sorry, the world of education. And most people get an education so they can enter the world of work. So they're interrelated. And the higher the education, the more the money is the expectation with the world of work. And so we're going to be exploring some ideas in this chapter that we're going to look at. So I'm going to give you some previews of the module and what to expect as we are moving on in this chapter and in these pages. So we're going to be talking about Barbara Ehrenreich, and she talks a lot about low income jobs and the struggles that people have about the world in which they're entering when they're trying to make some money. This is her video, so please make sure and take really good notes on this video and think about if you agree or disagree with her. And then the next video is also on Barbara Ehrenreich. Now I want to show you that I do have links. And some of them are optional, but some of them are required. See, when I say read the following article and I have a link, that is required. But this is actually the whole book, nickel and dimed, and it's right here. It's optional. You may want to use it for your final paper later on, your research paper, if you like this topic, but this is an optional one, but this is not. So there's an article on nickel and dimed, and there's the whole novel, which is right here. It's not a novel, it's a book. It's a nonfiction book. And so think about what your thoughts are about what Ehrenreich is saying. She's one of the authors we're going to be looking at in this unit. The next author we're going to be looking at is Richard Branson, who is the owner of Virgin Airlines. And there are two articles that I'd like you to read for this unit as well. And the links are right here at the bottom. And then there's the article on Sam Walton, and the article links are right here, and the videos. So I've given you videos and article links in all of these pages. So you need to study them carefully, take good notes, and put your ideas together about where you think you stand. And then there's also the power of one. This may not have some, I may just give videos, and some I may just give videos and articles, or just videos. So there's a few things that I have just videos, a few pages that I just have videos. So just watch the videos and take notes and write down quotes. And if we continue in these pages, I do want you to create some sort of journal for yourself that I will not collect, but I want you to think about your ideas, because when you're taking notes about your ideas and you are taking taking in all this information, you start thinking about what you want to say in your papers. And that's one of the reasons why I want you to have like a journal by yourself. And then so then there's a discussion that you're going to do, and then there's a quiz, and then and that is a wrap up of the articles on the world of economy. And then we're going to be doing a debate in this unit, and here's some information about the debates. And so there's some pages, and I'd like you to watch the debate videos. And there's some sample debates that you can take a look at. And you're going to actually create your own debate, and there's some links on the pages. And here's some things for you to think about. And I do have a video of how to access the library. And then this is the debate, and it's a two-part debate. One is going to be due Wednesday, and the other is going to be due Friday. So I'm opening, so I just want you guys to take a note and look at it, because you're going to have to respond to your peers, and you're going to have to upload a video, or you're going to have to upload a file that you just speak into, like a recording file. So please read these very carefully in this unit that you're going to be working on in the next week. And so we're also going to be I'm also going to introduce you to argumentative writing. And there's some pages and there's some videos in the module that I want you to take a look at. And then there's how to put together an outline for an argumentative essay, which is the next essay that you're going to be doing. And then I've got the essay requirements, and I also have the essay question for you. So this is all in module 2. Which is the world of work. So when we look at the module 2, it's broken down into 2 parts. First, it's the authors that we're looking at, and then how to put together a debate, and then you're going to have to write an argumentative essay. So there's a lot in this particular chapter in this unit. You can skim these pages and then go back and look at them very carefully. I have videos for you, as well as pages for you to think about. The journal part that I'm asking you to write for yourself, that I'm not collecting, that information is really good to include in your debate. So that's something that I'd like you guys to be mindful about. And think about which of the authors you agree with: Richard Branson, Barbara Ehrenreich, Sam Walton. Who do you agree with? Who do you gravitate towards? There's Obama in here. There's a huge selection of people for you to think about and talk about and write about. So this is a very intense part of the class, and we are starting to learn how to write argumentative papers, because that's where we're leaning towards for the rest of the semester, to write argumentative papers. So I really hope you enjoy this unit, this module on the world of work and economy, because it's a really important part of why many people go to college, is so that they can enter the world of work. And so here's some things for you guys to think about. And so enjoy this module.